Hello everyone, this is Mayuk Mazumdar and I'm back with another exciting session. So let's proceed.
Welcome to the fifth part of the session where I am introducing you all to MySQL. So this session is more of a quiz time. Here I have set for 15 questions. In the next few moments I'll be bringing up to you. So why don't you hurry up and take a pen and paper in your hand while in the meanwhile I get prepared for the quiz time. So the first question, what does SQL stands for? There are three options. One is structured query language, one is strong question language, and the third is structured question language. So in the meantime, you can pen down your answer or the options. Moving forward, here comes the second question. Which SQL statement is used to extract data from a database? The options are select, extract, open, and get. These are the single choice questions, so there will be one single correct answer. You can note down your answer in the pen and paper. The third question is, which SQL statement is used to update data in a database? The options are update, save as, save, modify. These are the four options. Moving forward to question 4. Which SQL statement is used to delete data from a database? The options are delete, collapse, and remove. Out of these three, one of them is correct answer. In the meantime, you can note down your answer. Moving forward to the fifth question is, which SQL statement is used to insert new data in a database? Is it insert into, or add new, or add record, or insert new? Out of these four, one option is a correct one and the other three are false. So, note down your answer. In the sixth question we have, with SQL, how do you select a column named first name from a table named persons? And your options are select first name from persons, extract first name from persons, select persons dot first name. Out of these three, you can note down which answer you feel is correct. Then we have as question number 7 is, with SQL, how do you select all the columns from a table named persons? Your options are select star from persons, select within third brace all from persons, select persons, select star dot persons. Out of these four options, note down the option you feel is correct. Then we have in question number 8, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the value of the column first name is Peter? I am repeating, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the value of the column first name is Peter? The options are select star from persons where first name equal to Peter. Second option is select within third brace all from persons where first name like within quotes Peter. The third option is select star from persons where first name greater than or less than within quotes Peter. And the fourth option is select within third braces all from persons where first name equal to within quotes Peter. So the question was, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the value of the column first name is Peter? I hope you noted your correct answer. Then we have, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where value of the column first name starts with an A? Repeating the question, with SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the value of the column first name starts with an A? And your options are: select star from persons where first name like within quotations A percentage, select star from persons where first name equal to within quotation percent A percent. The third option is select star from persons where first name equal to within quotes A. And the final option is select star from persons where first name like within quotes percent A. Out of these four, kindly note down the option you feel is correct. The 10th question is, the OR operator displays a record if any condition listed are true. The AND operator displays a record if all of the conditions listed are true. Let me repeat the question. The statement is, the OR operator displays a record if any conditions listed are true, and the AND operator displays a record if all of the conditions listed are true. Is it true or false? Kindly note down. Then we have the question number 11. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the first name is Peter and the last name is Jackson? Let me repeat. With SQL, how do you select all the records from a table named persons where the first name is Peter and the last name is Jackson? And your options are: select star from persons where first name equal to Peter and last name equal to Jackson. The second option is select first name equal to Peter, last name equal to Jackson from persons. And your final option is select star from persons where first name, the less than greater than sign within quotes Peter, and last name, the less than and greater than sign within quotes Jackson. Out of these three, select the option which is correct. Then we have question number 12, which states, which SQL statement is used to return only different values? Let me repeat. Which SQL statement is used to return only different values? The options are: select distinct, select different, select unique. The next question is, what is the most common type of join? And your options are: inner join, inside join, join table, joined. The next question is, which SQL keyword is used to sort the result sets? Let me repeat. Which SQL keyword is used to sort the result set? And your options are: order by, sort, sort by, order. Kindly note down the option you feel is correct. And the last question for today's session is, which operator is used to search for a specified pattern in a column? And your options are like, from, and get. I am repeating. Which operator is used to search for a specified pattern in a column? Like, from, or get. If you have successfully noted down all the points in this duration, now I am going to present the answer key to you. So going forward to the answer key, here is the answer key. Kindly feel free to go back to the question to match. All the answers have been specified as per the question number. So that was all. Feel free to reach out to me in case you have any queries. Thank you. Have a great day.